So hello guys, welcome again to a new video on HTML topic. So today we are gonna do the HTML program on by using the class attribute. So what is basically the class attribute? The class attribute is often used to the point of class name in a style sheet. It can also be used by a JavaScript to access and manipulate elements with specific class names. So I hope you all guys have understand this statement, right? So now we are going to the program. So before going to the program, let's read the second para. In the following example, we have three div elements. We have used three div elements with the class attribute with the value of quotation city. So all the three div elements will be styled equally according to the city. Now let's go to the program. So before going to the program, let's save the program, right? So I'm copying this program and I will save it in Node++. Okay, so as you guys know, so please let me save. Come on, why it's not saving properly, this guy? So let me save this file. So I've saved this file and let me cut this and let me paste it. Right now, so these were the earlier things, so let me cut this video, right? Okay, no need of cutting. This was the earlier videos of the last day. So let me start with 8.html as it out to the first program, right? Now let's see what we have done. 8, so as you can see, this is our program. Now let's open this program so you can see this program, right guys? So let's have a look on this program. So here is our program. So I have used this 3 div elements. With the help of 3 div elements, I have given this 3 boxes, and under these 3 boxes I have used cities, right? Now in under style type, we have to write city, background color which is tomato, and the entire background color is white, and the border is of 2 pixel. Let me do it 5 pixel and let's see what happens. So I've done 5 pixels and let's refresh. So you can see the border has increased. So without wasting any more time on this changing, let's go further in the program. So next is margin 2 pixels, 20 pixels, then padding is 20 pixels, then I have close style tag and body tag. Now under body tag we have written div class city, heading London, and paragraph this one. So we have used this in this by 3 ways, right? We have used 3 div elements. Okay, so this is our first program. Now let's see our second program. So second program is on, what do you know the second program is? Let me tell you. Let me first copy it and paste it on Node++. Then I will make you guys understand. Paste, save it by name of 9.html. I've saved this program. Now let's see what is the output, right? So 9.html is over here, and let's open Hojja. Now you can see we have done border style property. Okay, so how to do border style property? Now let's see this program. So this program is very easy, as you can see. Now some border, now see the entire, some boxes are, all boxes are different, as you can see. Some boxes are used dot, some are dashed, some are fully solid, some are double, some are grouped, some are ridged, some are inset. Now under style tag we have to write this entire syntax. So what is the syntax? P dotted border style dotted. So like this you have to write all the, on how much you need, you have to write that much. Okay, so in heading, so now I have to close style tag, and under body tag you have to write this heading or paragraph. Then you have to start with class attribute p dot class in quotation dotted a dotted border. So like this you have to do everything, right? So this is the program. It is looking so simple, right guys? It is looking too simple. So for today only this much. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I will be coming back very soon. Okay.